I ended up buying a Pokemon Silver Tempest uh, booster pack. It's a 6-pack booster pack with a booster bundle. See, booster bundle. I want to see if I get any good cards in here, because I've been told that there's a lot of Pokemon cards that are worth money that I can go and turn them in at the mall and get cash for the cards. I want to see if it actually works. So I got me a 6-pack booster pack. Yep. Silver Tempest. We are testing the theory that we can find expensive cards inside of these booster packs of Pokemon cards, right? And then take them to the mall and get money for them. Interesting. Nice little box, you know? Put your cards in when you're done. It's kind of hard to open. I had to bite it. Okay, so how did they do this? Alright, they go like this. Alright. Alright, like that. Like that. We've got ooh, Ninetales. I like this one. Pikachu. Hell yeah. And reverse holographic. Aeroquadnid. Cobat. Holographic. Right. It's okay, I guess. I'm not really sure if any of those are worth any money. But let's go on to the next pack. Alright. Whoops. I dropped my box. Alright. We've got that's another same card, double card. I haven't seen a lot of these new Pokemon cards. Oh, look at that! Hell yeah! Moltic. Heck yeah. Evolves from Phoebus. Oh, that ugly thing? Look at that. Oh, it's pretty. That's nice. Oh, and we have the card to go with it. The original. Look at that. It's a double-decker. Hee hee. Look. Beautiful. Beautiful ladies. Ah, Torracat. What the heck is that? Never seen that before. Oh, Dragonair. That's an old school Pokemon. Venomoth is a very old school Pokemon as well. Alright. Heck yeah. That's cool. We got a good one. Oh, we got a good one, James. Who is James, might you ask? It's my boyfriend. Yes, I'm a girl. And yeah, I'm opening Pokemon cards. Alright. Oh, Ponyta. I love Ponyta. Venonat. Oh, bam. Radiant. Tasharina. Cool. Holographic. Nice. Victini. What's that? I don't know what that is. That's a new one, I guess. Cool. Heck yeah. Here goes another pack. We got 2 good holographic ones. Vulpix. Oh my god. It's taking me back to back in the day when I used to collect Pokemon cards when I was younger. I had all these cards when they were, you know, back then. They would be worth a lot of money right now. My sister stole my Pokemon cards because she's a jerk. I used to have this card right here from 1987. But she jacked my stuff, so I don't have it anymore. I had a whole big old binder full of Pokemon cards from back in the day when they first came out. Even go. Oh, we got Dratini. Heck yes. We have a whole set. Dratini and the other one too. Oh, look at that. Holographic Dratini. Sick. What's this? Kinkling. I don't know what V-Star card is. I don't know what that's supposed to mean, but I keep seeing them a lot. Oh, we got a gym trainer. All right. Last one. Oh, never mind. Second to last. All right, we got Fletchling. Is that Schmeagle? Looks like Schmeagle. Oh, it's Smeargle. Smeargle. Oh, look at that. That's a rare one. He's a knitted Pokemon. He's not normal. He's knitted. Someone crocheted him. Look, somebody crocheted him. I think that might be worth a little bit of money. Ooh, look at that. Baltoy. Yeah, he's not normal either. See how the picture is? That's not normal. That's a good one. Huh. Delphox. I don't know what that is. I have no idea what that is. Regenerative energy. What is that? Is that supposed to be a good card?
It's for when you're playing the game.
No, look. I don't. Regenerative energy. That's retarded. Unidentified fossil. That's retarded too. V-Guard energy. That's retarded too. That sucks, huh? I get that, but I'm not playing the card game, homie. Okay? Alright. Last one. It's gotta be the lucky one. Like, come on. You wouldn't believe what I paid for this pack of cards. I mean, for this box of booster box. You would not believe what I paid for it. Oh man, I don't think I'm never gonna tell you either. Alright. Miss Derivas. Huh. Duo, cyan, I don't know what this is. Oh. See that? See that? Ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Look at, look at, look at, look at, look at, look at. And bam! We got the unknown. Oh, woo! Look at that. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah. Hey, give me the gold card. Get the gold card.